I mean, make some noise, yo. What the?
Centro, where you... Another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a chicken, body, bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. Right now I'm in the bathroom, but currently I'm at my mother's house and they're doing a little thing, but I need to get ready for tomorrow because I need to do stuff, but I came here instead. So this is where I'm gonna have to do the stuff that I need to do. So I'm gonna do my eyelashes and I'm gonna do my nails. I'm actually gonna get started now. Look at her freaking bro, I just randomly looked down and I seen that. I wonder who puts that. Anyway, they're drinking. I'm gonna actually eat before I start my eyelashes. But yeah, you guys are with me and you guys are actually on my new tripod and I like this tripod. Let me see if I can. It's kind of like the one off TikTok. I was gonna get off TikTok shop, but I think we're boycotting TikTok shop, so for Amazon. And they're calling me, so I gotta go.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but
the first eye is done. Okay, so I just got done with the eyelashes, as y'all seen. Hey, Merry Christmas Eve. Oh my god, I freaking told you. Yes. I asked you if somebody was gonna dress up. Yeah. That's a good thing. Wait, so like, so which costume? The original costume?
Where is he going?
Bentley!
I bought one for myself. I don't know where's my mom's.
Bentley, come here.
Watch.
No,
don't watch them.
Come here, Bentley.
Never mind.
No.
So wait, is it the original costume? Yes, that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna bring my gifts. We're gonna put them in the tree.
No, we have.
I have to speak a little louder because there's a lot of.
Okay, so. No, but honestly, my plans are actually to continue the legacy of my mom. My mom used to dress like Santa Claus and then bring joy to any kids and the family, the community, everywhere. She would do that everywhere. But I'm gonna do it for the family tomorrow. I'm gonna dress like Santa Claus. I could be Santa Claus because the dress that I have is actually fit me in a sense. Point is that all the kids will have Santa Claus. They're gonna sit in my lap and I'm gonna give them all the gifts that everybody bought. It's something that will make that my mom's still with us, even though she is resting in peace and she passed away.
Okay, so be on the lookout for Christmas Day vlog. Well, it's gonna be later in this vlog actually, so you guys are gonna be able to see her in her costume and everything, and the reaction of the kids, which is the best part.
That's true.
So before they turn on the music and I get copyrighted, peace out. I gotta do my nails though, so that's what we're gonna do next.
Thank you, family.
Come on, you know this.
Demonio!
What kind of chips?
They're Takis.
They're just chip Takis?
Yes.
Are they stale?
No.
We putting our nails on.
Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express.
So these are the nails that came out like. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm showing them my nails.
Yeah.
Cause of the cut. Let me see your nails. Show the people. You don't want to see your nails? Oh damn! Not in public. Bentley. Not Bentley. Paco before Bentley. Ah, you want to say hi?
No, pero pregúntale, ella cogió una buena mía. Yo te dije, pregúntale, cogió 5 dedos en la cara con una chancleta.
Eso fue cuando
No, imagínate.
Show the people.
Sí,
le dio estrés tanto que pensar.
tiene enterita, sí.
Oye, el tipo
$20?
cuando se
There's a
ahuma.
5 in
Puede
there.
venir 40 y es.
Exactly.
I think, okay, my guess is like $15.
Out of one.
I
5.
Pero es una
¿Cómo se llama?
You can count.
First okay.
One.
No. 6.
Oh, 6. They offered you a King Corso. Girl,
He's cute, but he needs to be
you
trained.
gotta put him in training.
He needs to be trained. Oh, yeah.
I don't want them.
Nine.
Eso es como Daniel Luis, por eso
Okay, look at that. Look at that.
They're so cute.
No, porque me da pena eso.
Hey,
Por el seguro de la casa. El seguro de la casa. Porque tenemos que coger otro.
14. That's how I told you. $50.
You said.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. Yeah.
Oh, Bentley!
About.
What? You were supposed to get paid for.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
I kind of want to interview both of y'all together, but I want y'all to do it in Spanish because y'all are funnier in Spanish.
I can do better in Spanish.
Yeah, I know. You guys are so funny together. Come on, Bentley, let's see. Let's see what these other people is doing.
Nueva York.
Wait, no, give me a dang handshake.
Bueno, es que Nueva York.
Give me a handshake. Dame tu
Bueno, ok, yeah. Hey, aquí en Nueva York, yo, el viejo.
I want to get you some more lights like them because I'm really competing with their backyard. I was just thinking that on the way here.
Why don't they have it on? You just have that.
They do.
Just that. No, but you can have other lights that it's pretty. Go pee. Go pee. Bring a whole bunch of lights from here. This way and this way.
Oh, okay.
Like-
Over there?
Yeah, from that palm tree
Oh,
right here in the house, and then back to this.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, that'd be nice. Poopy? You took a poopy? Oh!
Bentley. Bentley.
Dang. You would think Bentley does.
Oh no.
Oh my God, this girl.
Don't give me a lot.
Bueno,
That's it.
si te va a tirar un show, es un show de verdad, Jota.
Who else is taking? Why?
I'm gonna take because I don't like it, so I'm gonna take this part.
For what? I don't care if you don't like it.
Okay, aquí va. Para abajo. Para el centro, where you cheer. Y para adentro.
Oye, eso está bueno, eso, mira, o sea que no tiene que tener la mano ahí, mira que botarse.
Yes, ahora, yes, ahora, yes, ahora.
A ver.
This is not my soda.
So you wanted that, you had that.
¿Qué va a hacer?
Mira, una servilleta. ¿Tienes servilleta ahí? No, necesitamos más.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Ooh, I don't know how much of that y'all were able to like hear or how much I was able to put in because of the copyright, but oh my God. This is where I'm at. That door just swung open. Bentley was in the front seat. I know it's hot. I'm gonna get home. I might not pick y'all back up. Just did a little powwow and my eyelashes are done and my nails are done. Don't ignore that one, it's in my pocket. But it'll be great for the pictures tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get home so I can really chill because I literally just got off work and I came here and so catch y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, hey! As you can see, I'm getting ready. I have my pajamas on. It is Christmas morning. Merry Christmas to y'all. know what? I want to take a moment to kind of point out the fact that if you were here last year, like, it's been a year. Like, I've been on YouTube for a year, a complete year. And you can watch those videos, of course, further down, but it's just so cool to see, like, the people that have watched this whole journey versus the people that are just now, like, watching this Christmas. It's only gonna get better, y'all, so go ahead and subscribe, because what the I am getting ready to go pick up the tray of Turkish sweets. And I'm gonna go pick that up, and then I'm gonna head right to the venue, my aunt's living room. But that's where everybody's gonna go, and we're gonna open up the presents underneath her tree in particular, so I gotta bring all my gifts over there. I just got done getting ready. It's all right. These braids, I gotta do something soon. I need to head out because I'm not gonna be that late. I told him I was gonna pick it up at 11. And right now it is 10:56, 57. These are my pajamas. I like them. They're cute. They're a cute color. Just regular. I want to get there a little bit earlier so I can take a picture in front of the tree without all the kids in the way and everything. But I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and then get on the road. Merry Christmas again, everybody, and thank you guys again for coming on this journey with me. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate, even if you're just watching and not subscribed, it's fine. I love everybody. I love all y'all that watch my video, and I'm glad we've made it to approximately 2 years. In about a week, it'll be 2 years on YouTube, and that's complete. No, it'll be 1 year on YouTube because I did all of 2023 and then we're gonna start 2020. So only 1 year. And I think my progress has been my own, and I think it's progress that I need. Like, I see the benefit in going slow. I see the benefit in, like, a few subscribers at a time. I see the benefit in learning how to edit. I see the benefit in learning how to post shorts, learning what works, what doesn't work, learning the algorithm. And on top of that, I'm my own social media boss, so I'm doing Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X, all of it by myself to try to come up on it. But I'm having fun with it, and I appreciate my journey regardless. So all 358 of y'all, I believe, all 384 of y'all, I appreciate every single one of you, and I want to wish you guys a Merry freaking Christmas, and I hope you guys get everything you want. Watching my videos, you're going to be motivated to start a good 2024, because that's what we're doing over here. So come along, go ahead and subscribe, because in 2024, I'm motivating y'all to get the hell up. Do what it is you want to do, especially when it comes to content creating, because like I said, I've been on this journey for a year, so I feel like I'm really relatable to the people. I'm learning. I'm growing slowly, and no, I'm not growing exponentially. No, I didn't go viral, because sometimes it is a journey. Sometimes you can't take a shortcut. Sometimes you just gotta work. You just gotta do the work. You just gotta edit. You just gotta plan content. You gotta film it. You gotta post it. And it don't even matter if you get 2 likes. Post that bitch. Post another one. Keep posting. Be consistent. That's what I'm gonna do. Because why? Because I love to do it regardless. It don't matter how many subscribers, it don't matter how many likes. I love to do this. Okay, but anyway, off of that rant, let me do my makeup so I can really get out of here. This is also the first gift I got for Christmas this year. I already know what it is. It's from Bath and Body Works. The 1,000 Wishes smell, that spray. Smells so good, bro. So good. This is it, 1,000 Islands. I mean, not the dressing, y'all. Wow. And you know, I really don't like to spray the perfume on my clothing, because just in case I want to smell like something different. But oh, it smells so good, y'all. Because this doesn't last as long, but still, this, you can mix this with a good expensive perfume, and babe, I hope I got the right ones. I hope I got good ones. I hope you win. She gave me this cute little thing. This is so cute. So I put them in here, but what the hell? I got the card. What the hell? I got the card. So we got that, so now we gotta pick up the tray. Every time it don't fail, every time I go in there, he feed me. He give me coffee, he give me a sweet to try. But I got my tray and it looks so good. And he gave me a free set of cups. Bro, these cups are so expensive and so freaking nice because it's like designed well. He gave me the whole box. I thought he was gonna give me one cup. Oh my God, I love this white. Okay, let me show you the sweeter tray. This tray of sweets. Look at that. That looks so freaking good. It was $100, but this is the place. Y'all already know. And then he gave me these cups. Look at those cups. Bro, I am literally so happy. I freaking love coming here. Like, they're so nice. It was $100 tray, but I'm not really tripping because it's like quality stuff. It's like homemade stuff. Like, you can't find that anywhere. So, I don't care. I'm so happy. He is so nice. Please come here, y'all. It's right in Tampa, Florida. It's, I'm gonna put the name on the screen or something because this is ridiculous. He is so good. Like, this is amazing. You would think that these cups aren't that expensive, but the quality of the cups, the design of the cups, it's just, and they're on 50% sale and he was trying to get me to buy it, but it's like, I didn't come here for that. And plus the tray was already $100, so I say, oh hell no. But he gave it to me for free. I still can't believe that. Are we late? No, we're like right on time. It's 11:57 currently. Everybody loves my pajamas. I got mad compliments already. Got everything. I got the lottery tickets. Yeah. So let's go. My mom made that. I hope I'm knocking on the right door. Hello? Hi! Did you see me? Did your people? Let me see. How are you?
Okay.
I'm the first one here.
You call me without makeup or anything.
Oh my God. Thea, I've never been here. It looks so nice.
You never.
Thea! Oh, look how nice. Thea, it looks so nice. It's so spacious. I love it. I feel like you got a lot of room here for just you.
No, because, you know, the kitchen, I think, I don't know, it's smaller.
Ooh.
Pasteles de yuca.
Ooh, yes. Well, I got a tray I'm gonna bring in, and then I gotta set the game up, and then I'm gonna take a pictures and.
Yeah, because we're set up in the garage.
Over there?
And, yeah. Go around.
Around? Okay. Thank you.
But, you know what? It'll
Oh, it
be
looks
easier.
so nice. I love that picture.
Yes.
Okay, I want to show you this tray, and I want to get your reaction on the camera.
Oh my goodness. It's bacalao.
Yeah.
Bacalao.
Isn't that cool? These are really good. They're sweet inside. He said this is chocolate. The green is pistachio. And I like these too.
They put it on the tape.
That one over there? Oh, in the garage.
Yeah, in the garage. Yeah.
These are the gifts.
I haven't had a chance to wrap the gifts for the game.
Oh, the prizes?
Yeah, they're all sitting right there.
Oh, dang. Maybe I can wrap them for you.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like Santa Claus. Let's go. So basically, this is the game. I'm gonna put something in here, and then she has straws here somewhere.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna, I don't know, maybe open it or poke a hole, and then I have a box that's gonna cover it. And so the game is you gotta drink out of it with your straw, guess what it is, and then everybody guesses, and whoever gets it right wins.
Oh, okay. I'm glad that there are games here for adults.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Let me see. Where she said? Oh,
I'll be right back.
I don't know where she left the straws.
I don't know, she said somewhere. Why is it raining? Little do y'all know the actual gag is, this is the drink. No cheating though. Don't tell them what they're drinking. I need to put it underneath. I need to put it underneath. Oh, and this is too tall. Let's do this one. Yeah, that's better. It's gonna be 6 of these. Yeah. And then I'm gonna fill them with this. Okay, so we're gonna start filling them now. And this is how the box is looking. So we're gonna basically put them in here and make sure the straw gets into the liquid. Let's start with vinegar. This is gonna be disgusting. Don't gotta be a lot, I guess, right? Pickle juice. Oh, I can't open this. Let's do Red Bull next. Steak sauce, anybody? Hot sauce. Well, it stopped raining. Ooh. Perfect. Okay, so the game is set up and I got the straws in the box and everything. It stopped raining, thank you, God. Done before people actually get here. I just got one more to put in there and that's the pineapple juice. And then we good. Oh my God, it's going to spill. It's not that much. I think it looks, I think I want to write on it. I want to write on it and say like Christmas game or guess a drink or something. Hey y'all, hey. So I haven't really talked to y'all, but I wanted to go ahead and just give you guys a rundown on like what you guys are seeing. So I'm currently at my aunt's house and her house is so beautiful. There's a long entryway, there's a Christmas tree, there's a picture of her and her late husband right there. It's just beautiful. I've actually never been here since they got the house and they got it last year. It's nice big kitchen, love the pantry. We got the food on the table. They cutting up in the kitchen right now, cooking it up. My game is set up outside. Somebody already tried to kind of peek, but hopefully they don't. Just don't touch it until we play the game. It's going pretty good. We're waiting on people. I've had a few calls and people are like 30, 20 minutes away. You know, we're never on time. It's never on time. But I actually liked getting here early. I got all my pictures done. I helped my aunt with whatever she needed. So I feel accomplished. And these pajamas are too cute. Oh, there's people here. Let's go see.
Make some soup.
Coquito pistachio.
Let me get you a bag.
The liquor, the aftertaste is kind of strong. It's the rum in it.
Exactly. And for, I think no. You want to stick this in the top.
All of it just like real cute in the tray.
Yeah. Take these apart.
But
Wash
the
your hands.
Hawaiian, yes I did.
Okay.
I went to your bathroom and washed it. Wash her there, right?
And,
Quiere contar esto?
yeah.
And the small tray?
Yeah.
We gotta go.
Hey, hey. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
All right. Yeah, then see, we can go outside. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. He killed it. Be careful with your fingers.
That's the best part.
My fingers?
No, no, no. Not the fingers. Sonia.
I'm gonna say it in English because everybody here speaks English. So, Lord God, I want you to bless this food which we are about to consume. And I want to thank you for the gathering of this family. Carry on, because I just... Go ahead, Nancy.
Somebody.
Go ahead, Jada.
Oh, I want to pray. I can pray. Oh, sorry.
Okay. All right, I want to thank you for this day. I thank you for this, our family, Lord, that we can gather together and have a great time. I pray that you would just let us have a wonderful time together and just draw closer to you and draw closer to each other. Bless our food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yay! Whose cake is that?
That cake goes inside. You have to take it inside.
Daddy, how are you? Merry Christmas.
That's for dessert, right?
I love you. No, like no, I don't charge it. No, I think there's a remote, but I haven't gotten there. I got it yesterday.
Oh, you got it yesterday?
Yeah, I just got it yesterday. I like it because I needed one. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hear the people laughing. Hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the
When you're ready, go. Wait. You gotta do all steps. Take a sip, and then tell me your guess. Wait, what? Well, start over here. I need you to guess. What do you think that is? Yes. Okay, next. Go to two. Out of 7, you gotta make her drink that. You gotta guess. Whoever gets the most correct guesses gets a prize. Drink, go get a drink from your mom. Go get a water or something.
hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Every
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Ooh, at Christmas time.
Yo voy a jugar esto, ¿verdad?
Yo no soy gente, lo estoy haciendo ready.
Where's that?
Hold on.
Wait, which one? Yeah.
Okay, go.
I don't know how to hold this. Where's the pole?
Hold on, though. Yeah, right there.
Y'all are lying to me. I ain't get nothing. Nah, y'all probably lying.
my god. Time, 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 time. Ready? Now you can see. Put that on right. You ready? Go.
This is how you know she moves.
Time, 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 time. Alright, y'all, so after all of those games and everything, Santa's officially here and she's getting dressed, her little curviness.
So the purpose of this is actually to make the kids happy.
So she's gonna come out there, all the kids are here, all the gifts are under the tree, and somebody's gonna prepare her a bag, like Santa's bag, and she's gonna go right out there and all the kids are gonna scream and it's gonna be a good time. So that's what...
This is when I need help. Yeah, that's how I think it goes.
Did you buy this? Where'd you buy this? Amazon?
Yeah. I think so, I don't know. Maybe like that.
Under
This is gonna be a hot moment.
Yes, it is.
Because like I can see.
You can't see?
Yeah, no, my boobs. So but I don't want that.
Where's the thingy? Oh, is that too tight or?
No, it's okay.
Okay. There's no hole. Oh, found
Oh,
it.
this not?
I found out.
You find it or you make it?
I make it. I think I made it.
Oh, this is another one.
Another beard?
I guess.
Oh yeah, this one you don't have to do behind your ears. It would just go.
Okay, maybe that one is better.
This is kind of cool. Is it backward? Why is it like? Okay.
Well, I need to put this on,
Okay.
but I really need help.
Just
So I think
holding
it's.
this.
I think it goes. And then this goes towards the back, and then the whole shed is just like right there. I think.
How the fuck is Jessica?
I don't know. Is she coming?
Yeah, they said that she was. I don't know.
Let me see in the phone.
Oh, it doesn't look.
Maybe it's just more in the back, right?
Is there two or just the one?
I have no idea. I don't remember.
Okay, well,
I bought this last year.
I don't want your doobie to show. So
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna put this here. I think I want this netting here on your forehead.
Okay.
Okay, I want the netting on your forehead. It doesn't look bad. Are you Santa Claus or Mrs. Claus?
That's what I'm saying. we coming like.
I think it looks like Mrs. Claus though.
So maybe. And then this is the one that goes in the.
No, this one. This one goes on the back of your head, so it'll keep the wig.
So maybe this one goes first, and then the wig, right? Because then you're gonna see this.
No. Well, then do this one, so we ain't gotta take the wig off. This goes behind your ears.
I need to fix my my wig because I actually have to be able to see. Arranca pelo si tienes que arrancar. ¿Dónde está the other thing? I can see it. Here.
Right there. Okay, I like that. Glasses and everything. Glasses and all. Yeah. Mrs. Claus.
It seems like I'm Mrs. Claus because this right here.
It's very wavy here.
Maybe if we put it like this now, it looks more less miss.
No, but I don't want to see the.
Okay, here.
Is that your
Whichever way
bag?
you want to come in, I don't know which way. You want to come into la marquesina?
No, tía, no te sape. Pero así porque ahí está el árbol.
No, you should. Yeah, you should go through the front door and just knock on the front door or something.
Oh. Pues van a poner los nenes al frente. ¿Dónde van a estar los nenes?
In front of the
So
tree.
entonces you knock the door here.
Yeah, and then who's that? Whatever.
Yeah.
Let me fix your wig before you go out there.
Yeah, we having wig problems here.
Are those your boots?
Yeah, pero necesito como una flip flops, but I didn't bring them, so. I can see.
Put your foot up here.
Come
Come on, girl. Lift that foot up. Okay, wait. Is it supposed to? What is?
I had to. It has something that goes under my
Wait. Was this? Like
But
that?
no, but it has a thing that goes under, like that, and then that's supposed to cover my feet.
Okay. So that's how it's supposed to go then, just like that.
I think so.
It looks good. Actually, I like this how the wig just laid right there like that.
Okay.
Give me.
Can I say this in Spanish?
Yes,
I have to.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Ya estoy a punto de salir. Voy a salir afuera. Voy a tocar la puerta para que los nenes me abran y ver la emoción que tienen. Estoy un poquito nerviosa porque es la primera vez que lo hago para toda la familia. Y entonces hace mucha calor, pero todo sea, ¿verdad? Porque los niños, ¿verdad? Y el espíritu de la Navidad. We have the gift. Yo le dije a tía una bolsa de basura, but she bring this. It's okay. But it's okay. I guess like this, right? Ho, 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 ho.
Not yet?
Hey, not yet.
Okay. We're
Yeah,
still.
pero
Not
calor.
yet, not yet.
She's burning up. Okay, you better come quick. Alright, I
Que
like
van a tener un meal Santa because this is not fault. It's not your fault.
Alright, we're ready to go.
Santa can have a drink.
Through your mustache?
So, in all honesty, I would never thought that I would be able to do something like this.
Really?
Well, people will think that I'm extrovert, but for certain things, I'm very shy.
Oh, introvert.
Or introvert. So I remember telling my mom back in the day, like, are you really going to do that? Like,
You really gonna get out in front of these people?
Yeah. And she would do the 3 kings and find some people to be the other 2.
Oh.
And she have all these customs. And I'm like, Mom, are you really going to go outside like that? And she would say like, yeah, if somebody doesn't like it, they don't have to look at me.
True.
So, but then when she passed away, I started this last year because I really wanted my nieces to remember my mom because she passed away when they're little. And then this year it's extended to the rest of the family. So it's the first time that the family is going to see me like this. So I'm a little nervous.
I don't think
Shy, but at the same time excited about it.
I don't think you should be nervous because it's just a costume and it's Christmas. If you were gonna wear this on Halloween, then that'd be weird. But all these kids are. The worst you're gonna get is a kid being like, "Isn't that Inga Melina?"
Last year my niece said that.
Oh,
she said like, "Oh, my Titi Ingrid has this tattoo. You must be her." So
oh my god.
So I hope that but it's all about for the
For the
magic,
kids.
the spirit of the Christmas. And for me, it has a really beautiful meaning because it's a way to, for me, personally, it's a way to feel like my mom's still here sharing the time with us.
Yeah.
So
definitely. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. The kids are out there giddy and whatnot. She's gonna come through the front door. She's gonna knock, like I said, we don't have a chimney. So she's gonna go through the front door and then she's gonna have her little bag and that's it.
And then the tree is full of
the tree is already full of gifts. You already seen that, yeah.
And then we're just gonna like call everyone and then have a little time with Santa Claus.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all when we're out there. We get to surprise them. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Who's that? Who's that? Can I get the door? Who is it?
say who was behaving this year. Let's see what I have around here. Well, I guess Hector is being a good kid.
Hector! Hector!
Where is Hector?
Where is he at? Where is he at?
Where is Hector?
He's over there.
My little duende said you were being a good kid.
Yeah.
No refund.
Where is Mari?
Who?
Mari.
Mari!
Is Mari being a good kid?
Money!
He didn't say nothing to us tonight next to him. He said what happened. He's over here. Danny said something.
Where is Jasmine?
She's not here.
But Jasmine is being a good girl.
Where's your mother? Right here.
Ingrid. Who's
Ingrid!
It's not specified.
It's that one.
I kind of like the Ingrid people. Oh my God, I really like your name. You seem to be a nice person.
I like it too. Thank you.
Man?
Tia Maria. Is Tia Maria being a good girl?
Maria.
Tia
I
Maria
know about
is
that
being a
one.
good girl. You can sit in here.
She made another recap. She liked the scare children. She pinches
Lizzie! What the heck? Where is he going?
It's not that heavy, but I'm not responsible for the church. You know, we're at Tia Maria's house.
No. I didn't go to a Korean store to get it. I did it. I did it. I really did it.
You did this?
What do you talk about? Did I do that? Thank you. Can you read it? You gotta read it. You don't even know what it is.
Peach milk body cream.
Okay, it's a body cream. It's actually a body cleanser. That's what it says. Smells good? I didn't smell it. I didn't smell it.
That shit could have smelled like doo-doo.
Yeah. I thought peach would have been good. So it's a body cleanser. So it's like a soap for your body. It's just body wash. But I don't know. I guess the Korean softening is peach. Maybe it'll be good. I got foodie. And that's a wrap, everybody. We are officially heading out. We swept. Like, look, we cleaned up. Yeah, we cleaned up. We did not leave it a mess. But we're officially out. There are no gifts under the tree at all. All the gifts have been given away. And we are heading home. I got food to go, ready to go. I was gonna get me some pie, but my mom took the apple pie. So after, I'm gonna go home and eat this. I got the Turkish delights in the car. But yeah, that's a wrap, everybody. Thea, we had a good time today. All the gifts are gone under the tree. You guys saw us when we were here by ourselves, wrapping gifts, cutting potatoes. And now everybody left.
Yes.
She's gonna go to sleep, eat a pie and go to sleep.
No, I'm gonna sit and put my legs up.
Oh yeah.
They hurt bad.
But we had fun.
But,
it was a good Christmas.
Well, I'm glad that everybody seemed to enjoy themselves.
Yes, yes. I had a lot of
There
fun.
was plenty of food.
Oh yeah.
These people devour that food.
Gone. We take it. It's gone.
I cannot believe it.
Let me go get my shoes because I'm gonna go to, my mom's on the way out already. I'm still obsessed with her house. It just looks so beautiful. We had fun dressing up Santa in those rooms over there. You guys seen that? I haven't put these shoes on all day, but
I better not post that. I swear to God, you better. And if you do post it, you better make me pretty.
I can't. I don't have the laptop to do that.
Oh, you know what? Maria doesn't like pecan pie.
I don't like it. You can't buy it.
I'll take it.
Okay, all right. It's yours. Don't let it.
We just brought all the cars inside, or at least this car inside the garage. You guys, like I said, seen what it looked like before, so I got me an extra soda pack, 12-pack of soda in the car, because there was extra. I know y'all seen that game. I want to explain that game to y'all. They supposed to drink what was in the cup and guess it. Whoever guessed it right wins. 2 people made like close guesses and missed one, so 2 people missed one. But the freaking game fell. The straws wouldn't stay in the ding. I gotta do better on games. That one was, I don't think that was very successful. But I hope you guys had a good Merry Christmas. That's it for today's video. Thank you again for joining in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video right here. Especially if you stay this long, because a lot of people don't. So comment down below if you made it this long. Comment down below Christmas, of course. And I'm gonna catch you on the next video.